you?
Yeah, I'm absolutely fine, ma'am. So, let our conversation start. So, let me introduce yourself, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. My name is Deepika and I'm living in Nasik. And by profession, I'm a digital marketing expert.
Okay,
Yeah, and I'm here with my parents. Yeah.
okay. So, yes, absolutely. It's nice to listen. It's nice to hear that you are, as a by profession of digital marketer. So, if I say myself, that my name is Kaijar Alam. So I am from West Bengal and I'm a student, but as well as I'm working as a sales department, as a salesman in Tata showroom. And I
Mm-hmm.
work over there as a, I sales in a commercial vehicle in Tata product. So yeah, so as a digital marketer, so tell me something more about that profession, that field. Which types of product are you selling, and which types of uh, problem, which types of I can say suggestion you are sharing in your client, like this?
Okay, as you say, you are working as a salesman, so you have the idea about the marketing, right?
Yeah.
So this is the marketing where you do personal. I mean, you have to talk with the person to person. But
Mm-hmm.
in terms of digital marketing, we don't do personal talking. It is like direct marketing or online marketing. We take
Okay.
the help of internet to market something. Let's say you want to promote your car or the Tata car
Yeah.
that you have in your showroom, and you want that the people should know that you have this type of car and you are giving some discount over there. Let's say 20% off, something like that. The discount is going on, or some new year offer is going on.
Mm-hmm.
And but now people are using the mobile every day, so how will they know?
Mm.
They will know this thing with the help of Facebook or the Google. Suppose someone is
Mm.
looking for the
Yes.
car, the Suzuki something, and they are searching on Google like
Possibly lane.
my car. Okay, so if you are showcasing the ad over the internet, over the Google, or if someone is looking some advertisement video of your car
Mm-hmm.
on the YouTube channel, on the
Mm-hmm.
YouTube, and looking for some reviews of it, then there are the possibility of purchasing that car. I mean,
Okay.
previously it was just the newspaper advertisement or the
Yeah.
radio advertisement or the TV advertisement was there.
Mm-hmm.
But now the thing is different. People are more towards mobile and their laptops,
Mm-hmm.
so
Mm-hmm.
it's the necessity right now. The advertiser should be there
Oh,
if they
yes.
want their sale. Yes.
So, if I know about this field, so what is the amount I have to pay for my advertisement purpose in a 1 month?
Okay, it completely depends on your advertisement budget, how much you want to spend. For
Okay.
example, on ads daily, you can start from, let's say, 500 rupees per day to 5,000 or anything. I mean, it completely
Okay.
depends on your
So,
requirement and your
okay.
budget.
So that adds how much member, or I can say customer, can see.
Okay, so Google has large amount of data, and Google everyone is using, so that you can reach to the maximum number of people. If you are targeted, let's say just the West Bengal, then this ad
Mm-hmm.
will be shown to the West Bengal people only. Or even you
Mm-hmm.
can target the city, and the people living in that city, you can target that amount of area, and the people living over there can see your ad. You can
Okay.
realize that how many clicks and impressions you got with that ad.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Uh, that your field, and anything else if you want to share like on that field.
Uh, no, I didn't get that.
No, you are expert over there. That you told me everything on that fact. That if you want to share more things about that field,
Okay, what else in digital marketing one can do?
yeah.
Okay, so mainly digital marketing has three areas. Like first is SEO, it's about the search engine optimization. Another
Mm-hmm.
is social media marketing, and third is paid ads that I was
Yes.
talking about. Okay, so search engine optimization is about whenever you are looking for something. Let's say you want to go out for a dinner, you will search like restaurant near me, and the
Mm-hmm.
results come up in your Google field or your Google Maps. That is the search engine optimization, where you have to do SEO for particular query and you want to rank your client's website over there. Okay,
Okay.
and second thing is social media marketing, where on the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube channel you can advertise, promote your products. And third is paid ads, where on the Facebook, Instagram, or even on Google, on YouTube, you can show the ads where people usually skip ads, or they can check out the videos, more advertisement videos
Mm-hmm.
over there. And that ads are actually charge you. I mean, if you want to give the ad onto the Google or Facebook, you have to spend
Okay.
money. But in the first two approaches, where on the SEO or the social media, you don't have to spend anything. Okay, these are completely organic. We divide it
Okay.
into two things: organic and inorganic.
But just ma'am, just one thing you tell me about my YouTube channel. So, what is the basic requirement that video will goes on viral? Like that is not appear in my channel. So, if you have any some tips about that types of problem purpose, so it's really good
Okay.
for my channel.
Okay, the first and important thing for any channel or any business is the content. What type of content you are producing? If your content is really awesome and you are continuously doing that content, then you will get the more subscribers as well as followers. If you are
Mhm.
saying you want to make the viral video, then there should be something special that is not common in other videos. Then
Yes.
only it going to be viral. Okay.
Actually, what happened, I have been working in this particular field, but my channel video is not too much views coming. I don't know why, but there is I have almost uh, 500 plus subscriber. But even though if I compare to my videos, so I have seen lots of videos. There is nothing. They just conversation to each other. But I is shocked when I see the views. But if I see my videos, I don't know why it's not reaching people. What is
Okay.
the main problem are facing my channel? I don't know. I can't understand. Still, I'm working over there.
Okay, it depends on the like type of thumbnail you are designing. I mean, if it is a catchy caption, what type of
Mm,
content you are producing in it, or how you start with that video. The number of views depend on where you actually promote that video. For example, let's say if you have produced a video and uploaded it, but how will people know like you have done something new? So if the
mhm,
people have pressed the bell icon, or
mhm,
if they are the subscribers, they might not be the real subscribers of yours. I mean, they will not be actually looking for the content. I mean, they are just
mhm.
for the numbers. So you want to get the real subscribers, that the people which actually looking for this type of videos. So that
Okay.
yeah, the number doesn't matter. It depends on like how much catchy captions you put, or how much catchy images, type of thumbnails you put. And also
Mhm,
it's sometimes depends on the YouTube algorithm, what time you posting, and if the
mhm.
people are available over there, this
Yeah.
type.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So, as you told me in earlier videos that you love to teaching fields. So what happened? You are not on that field, but you are in this field in digital marketer.
Okay. Yeah, I worked there for 1 year, but I wanted to do something different. Like
Mm-hmm.
I was interested into marketing, digital marketing, so I switched
Okay,
to
okay,
yes.
that's good luck for your job. So just tell me, what is the difference between you are in a private sector job and in government job? What is better for you? If I ask you, government always everyone says that better, but according to you, as you were working as your home, so tell me something unique things that you love to work and you love to share. You talk to share in your opinion. What is
Okay.
better in private or
Yeah, the government jobs is always better in terms of you see the perks like the holidays as well as the finance you get. I mean the luxury that type of.
mm-hmm.
So yeah, anyone will prefer to have the government job over the private job. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
when we consider about the private job, the perks will be like actually there are no really perks. Just the thing like you can do the work where you are interested in, and you really don't have to follow the orders of maybe in the government sector there will be long procedure of approval, something like that. You have to take the permissions. There is a lot of written work or the documentation thing is there, but that is not actually happen in the private sector.
Mm-hmm.
And in the private sector you have to actually work on your skills, and there is a lot of competition. You have to you know you have to try hard,
Skills.
and you have to keep improving yourself, and you have
Okay.
to be better. And it's like you have to work like you should be ready to work 18 hours a day, and if you
Okay.
want to do something better in life.
Okay.
It's not easy.
So as a learner, as a speak person through this video, so which types of content, which types of era, or I can say which types of way we have to improve ourselves for better communication perspective? What is your opinion?
Okay, for the better communication, I can give you some tips like your viewers might enjoy that thing. How I have improved. I have firstly I use the Clapingo. Then
Okay.
I installed a couple of apps in my mobile
Mm-hmm.
with which I can talk with the strangers. It's like
Mm-hmm.
an internet call with whom you can talk. Right now, I am using Josh Skills app, which is good, where you get the learning as well as you can talk with the people.
Yes.
Third thing is I started watching English videos and series and movies,
Mm.
and I practice it more. So I started thinking in English, and that helped me to talk confidently. And
Okay.
even the YouTube channel, because of that I started recording my voice. I started creating content in English,
Mm-hmm.
and that helped me to how to pronounce the things, as well as how where should I pause, how the way I should organize the sentences, and how can I connect with the people effectively.
Okay.
So these are the things I have followed. Even one more thing, I started listening affirmations. Affirmations are like positive self-talk with yourself in the morning,
Okay.
and there are multiple videos on YouTube that you can listen.
Okay. Okay. So I learn a lot from you, ma'am. So it's a nice conversation to you that it really motivates others. It's really helpful for others who is really want to learn this skill. So it's really good video according to me, and it's really improvement purpose. Most of the people watch this video. So till then, take care, ma'am, and say I have to say goodbye. See you. another
Okay. Thank you
session.
so much, Kaiser. It was really nice talking with you, and I'm happy to share my thoughts with the people. And I hope that people found this video useful, and they will watch this till
Yeah,
the end.
okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah,
Bye.
see you soon.